Football season is here. Whether you're heading to a tailgate or you're actually watching a pro game live, this one's for you. To start, I went ahead and did some overnight curls to get ready for these game day hairstyles. So I am going to go ahead and take these out. I'm going to grab some of my Moroccan oil and tame some of my frizzy flyaway hairs. What I do is I just gently comb through. Okay, so now that I've taken out my overnight curls, this is what we have to work with. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first hairstyle, you are going to need some elastics and hair ties. All you're going to do is part your hair how you normally would. If you want to take bangs out, go ahead and do so. So after I section my hair, I'm going to grab one of these clips to hold this hair back so it doesn't get caught. And then I'm going to get an elastic. I'm going to go through twice. It doesn't have to be really tight. Make a little pocket, little hole. Bring the hair through. Twist, and same thing. Can hold this hair up and out of the way. Grab a section here. Make another hole. Twist your hair through. Gently pull up. Bring this hair through this hole, like so. And then you're left with this on this side. We're gonna go ahead and repeat that on the other side. Section up your hair. I'm going to stop right here, and then I'm going to start fluffing it out. And you're left with these two really cute game day braids. Now, if you want, you can tie off with some little ribbons. I think that would be really cute, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Little tip, if you haven't gotten one of these for your elastics, I do recommend it. Of course, just be really careful not to cut your actual hair, but that's all you do. Take some out and you're done. Okay, so this next one is a more sleek situation. You can part your hair in the middle, side, however you want. What you're going to do is section off your hair wherever you want it to be sectioned off. So I'm gonna do something like this, and then I'm gonna grab a clip, get this hair out of the way. If you want, go ahead and comb that through. Grab an elastic, secure it at the bottom, and I'm going to go 3 times. Tie it off. Let this hair go. Grab another section in the back here. Get your elastic. I'm going to get this out of the way for a second. Get your elastic. Tie that around. Make sure this one's snug. I'm going to do 3 times. Make a little pocket, like so. Let this hair go. Loop this in, and then tie that up. That way, it's out of the way. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Through, make a little pocket. Bring this hair through. Tighten it up. You can cheer as hard as you need to, and your hairstyle will stay in place. And to finish off our game day looks, here's the last one. All you're going to do is start off with a low pony. Grab your hair at the base of your neck, like so. You can take out whatever bangs you want. With this hand, you're just going to twist up like so. Grab your favorite jaw clip. In honor of football season starting soon, I'll be using this one. Clip it into place. Slowly let go of your top hair like this. Grab 2 sections like this. Go ahead and twist. Bring them to opposite sides. And what you're going to do is with this section, you're just going to clip it in the jaw, clip it in the jaw clip, and with this section, same thing. Be careful not to let go of your twist, and then just fluff it out. And that's it. You're left with this really cute, effortless game day updo. I think this one has to be my favorite, but let me know what you think in the comments.